Hey guys, what's going on? Today I am doing a radio. No, they came with this thing when I bought it. I bought my YJ 5 months ago, and it came with this Pioneer here. And I don't know, we just I mean, we don't really listen to the radio in here as it is, but I just don't like. I just don't like the way it looks in here. So what I ended up doing was getting an original stereo, and I actually just forgot it in the house. I'm not gonna go back and get it right now. I'll show you guys later. Anyways, so the previous owner, or one of the previous owners, I know like there was the two guys that owned it before me, did this hack job, and I know this is like common with most YJs. Just a whole bunch of, I didn't cut, and the only ones I cut here were these two right there, and those were connected to the old harness still, right here. Other than that, all the other ones were cut. So, oh, maybe it was these two that I cut because they were longer. I cut them way back. So the guy cut them like right at the base, so I couldn't just reattach the wires to this because there isn't enough here. I mean, I know I could probably take the little clips out and do that whole deal, but whatever. I found this on eBay for $5, and it seems to be the same plug. Anyways, 13 wire harness. So what I did was I went through and I looked at all of the wires and where they are on here, you know, green white stripe, brown white stripe, that whole deal, and I just labeled, you know, where they went on the harness here. So there's purple white stripe right there. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut these wires, and I don't know how the speakers are all hooked up, and I don't know if the original speaker wires are there, but for now, just so to make it look nice, because it's, you know, nearing the end of the day, and I just want to get this done. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut all the wires, pull them back a little bit, you know, and just connect all these, and then connect it and see if the stereo turns on and everything, and then just kind of go from there. Yeah, that's where I'm at. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these open and get going from there. Okay, so I just cut all the wires. I added this in. This is the original stereo, by the way. Ran in and grabbed it. It's really clean. Got it for 60 bucks off of OfferUp. Anyways, that connects to here. And then so I put this little connector on the end here, and then so the rest of it, just to see if this plug works good. Basically the 4 or 5 center wires right here in the middle are the most important wires, and then these 4 outer ones on each side are speaker wires. Is how it works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect these ones just real quick. So what I did is I stripped them and I did a little, you know, twist on them. Just a real quick connection. I'm just going to put these on real fast, and that way I can just unscrew them and put them on, you know, nicer later. And then the speaker wires I still have to figure out. But anyway, so just connect those real quick, connect that into the back of the stereo, and then go from there. Alright, so I connected it, the little blue connector right there, and then I connected the whole thing, and it seems to be working fine. I turned the ignition on. Let's see, hit power. Yeah, see, FM. Alright guys, so just connected the speaker wires. I used yellow connectors for those. So the blues are like the main connectors or the main wires. Yellows are the speaker wires. Not important, but just makes it easier for when I make it all pretty. So let me just hit the power button, and we'll see if we can hear stuff.
And 4 new base games. Ride out the storm and win big today. Casino.
Nice.
Must be 21.
So here is the final product. Got a new one of these. If you watch my other video, I told you that they cut the person before. So I got a new one of these the other day on eBay for like 30 bucks, 35 bucks, and it's a little bit darker. You can kind of tell the difference here. But whoever had this before also cut the sides a little bit. They trimmed a little bit off the side, so there's a gap there. So what I mean it'll do for now, it holds the stereo in place, because I don't have the sleeve that it goes into, so that'll work for now. But here's this. So let me just turn that bad boy on. And there we go. I plugged it in 8 minutes ago, then put all this whole thing back in apparently. But okay, I'm gonna give this a shot. Oh yeah. Oh, that's right. Alright. Alright, so if you have any questions or comments, put them down below. Let me know and I'll get back to you. And leave some links to some stuff that I've changed on my YJ and stuff that I've done. And yeah, we'll see you guys later.